Hello guys, this is Ghost Baba Ugiagbe. So on this video, I will show you how you can make $25 or $20 to $100 by just taking surveys. So all you just need to do now is to keep on watching and let me show you step by step how you can make money with this website for 100% free. So I talked about a lot of websites that you can use to make money online for free, but this website is very cool. All you just need to do, keep on watching, and only what I want from you now is to hit that like button if you're already a subscriber, and if you are not a subscriber, just click on the subscribe button and let me take you now to my smartphone. Before I take you to my smartphone, I want to tell you that this website is available in all countries. So all you just need to do is to take advantage of this website. Let me take you now to your smartphone and you can start making money with this website. So just keep on watching, and don't forget again, leave me a comment in the comment section if you have any problem while you are using this website. Guys, this is the website that you can use right now to start making money from your smartphone. The name of this website is called Grabpoints. So how Grabpoints work is that it allows you to watch videos, you get paid, take surveys, you get paid, complete offer like task, you get paid. So how to register on Grabpoints is very simple. Enter your email on this session where you say join for free. Enter your email, your password, or enter your password and click on sign up. Grabpoint is going to send you an email. On that email Grabpoint will send to you. You need to go to that email and verify your account. Click on the link that they ask you to click on that email and your account will be verified. So once your account will be verified, come back to Grabpoint and follow the instruction of logging in. Click on the login, enter your password and your email account and click on login, and your account will log into Grabpoint. So once you log into Grabpoint, then the next thing what you have to do is to start completing tasks. So let me log into my own account and show you around Grabpoint. So as you can see on Grabpoint, I just log into my own account. You can see a lot of ways that you can use right now to start making money with Grabpoint. You can see unlimited ways and unlimited strategies that you can start using right now to start making money with Grabpoint. Let me see, for example, first way how to make money with Grabpoint by taking survey, like answering questions. If I click on this section where you say pull fish, if I click on pull fish, it's going to open this and I will click on start. Once I click on start, it's going to take me to this session where I will start taking surveys and get paid. You can see here, all I just need to do, if there is available survey, it will pop up and I will click on it to take me to step-by-step guide on how I can take surveys and get paid. And on those get paid survey sites, they have a translation page. You click on it. Here you are going to select your country. Let me say English. I click on that. I click on OK. As you can see, say unlock survey by completing your profile. So you complete your profile on this website, click on get started, and it will take you to the process on how you can unlock surveys and start taking surveys and get paid in return. So let us go back to our website or the platform, which is Grabpoint. So now we are back on Grabpoint. So you can scroll down here again and choose other ways you want to use to take surveys. Let me say want to use a survey site like eToro. If I click on eToro, not eToro but OfferToro. If I click on OfferToro here now, I click on start, it's going to open offers that OfferToro have. So you can see OfferToro have a lot of ways that we can start using right now and make money from. So you can see we can complete a very simple task like downloading this application, register, and we are going to get paid 383 points. It keeps on going. You can select the amount of ways that you want to use and you are going to be getting paid in return. You can see a lot of applications, even some application that you even know that is popular. You can see TikTok is here. You can just download TikTok on your smartphone, open it, and you come back again. The points be credited into your Grabpoint account. So anything you do out of Grabpoint, the money is going to return into your Grabpoint account. You don't need to worry if you do the task out of Grabpoint. You don't need to worry. It's connected. They are going to send the money to your Grabpoint account once you complete the task. You don't need to worry about this if you are afraid sometimes completing survey or tasks out of Grabpoint. So that is it. And if you scroll down here again, let me say, for example, you can see this game here, which is, if I click on this game here, and what I need to do, if I click on it and we'll say start now. So once I click on that, it's going to take me here again on OfferToro, and I have to follow the instruction what I have to do. So you can see take me to Google Play Store. All I just need to do is to download this application, which is Chef Almighty, and use this application according to the requirement of what they ask me to do. And in return, like I said, in return, I will get paid for doing that. So that is how it works, guys. It's very simple, and you understand now how you can download the application, how you can take surveys and get paid. Let me show you another way you can use to make money. If I click on this icon here now, and you can see that you can refer people to this website and make money. When you see on a session where you see my account, you see on that, you see invite friend. If I click on this session, and you will see that
if I invite anyone to this program, I will be making up to 10% from them. For them signing up with my referral link, I'll be making 10% from them, anything that they do on those websites. So this is just for life. You will be making constant money from them. As long as you are the one that referred them to this program, you will be making money. Just copy your URL here, just say "or" and copy it, and go and share it to your audience. In return, as long as they join it through that your link, you are going to be making money. So that is the second way you can use to make money with this website. Let me log back and just log me out. So another way that you can use to make money with this website, you can click on this same three icon here, and you see a section, a button where you say watch. If I click on watch now, it's going to show us ways that we can use to watch videos and make money in return. You can see a platform that is connected to Grabpoint that you can use right now to make money from by watching what? Video. By just watching 1 minute video. You can see this website, which is called Hideout TV. I've talked about Hideout TV on my YouTube channel. You can go and watch the video if you want how to make money with Hideout TV. If I click on Hideout TV now, you can go to Hideout TV, watch videos. You come, any video you watch, they are going to be paying you, and the money is going to be deposited on this your Grabpoint account. I want you to know this. Even this Lootable, this Lootable website too is the same website. Click on Lootable, go and watch video on Lootable, and the money will be deposited into your Grabpoint account. It will not be Lootable account, but into your own account. So that is what I want you to understand by watching videos from this website, which is called Grabpoint. So you know the two ways now that you can start using to make money. Let me say I want to use anyone here. I will click on it. Once I click on it, to say 7 points per 3 video you per 3 ad you watch, and unlimited credit, I will click on get started here, and it will take us directly to Hideout TV website. And here we are going to start watching videos and get paid by just doing that. Those are videos we can start watching right now. In return, we are going to get paid. And in return, we are going to get paid by just watching those videos. So that is how it works, guys. This is the website, which is called Hideout TV, and I will just watch all those ads. As long as I'm able to watch 3 ads, I will go back again to this website, which is Grabpoint. The money will be credited into that Grabpoint account, and that is all I just need to do. So let us go back to our Grabpoint account. So now we are back on our Grabpoint account. It works in the same way with this website that is called Lootable. If I click on Lootable, it will show up the same thing. So that is the 3 ways that you can use to make money with this website that is called Grabpoint. So you know everything how you can make money with this website. Let me show you how you can cash out. Let me see, you have the minimum amount of cashing out. So how can you cash out? If I click on this icon here, if I click on this icon, click on the section where you say gift card and cash. If I click on gift card and cash here, it's going to pop up ways that I can use to cash out. So you can see different methods of cashing out: Spotify, Footlock, and Amazon, and other payment method. Even PayPal is here, my preferable payment method. If I click on PayPal right now and click on redeem, it's going to pop this up. You can see that you can make up to $20 to up to $20 or $25 or up to $100 by just using this website. Like I said from the beginning of this video, if you hear me from the beginning of this video, I told you that you can make up to $20, $25 to $100 with this website. You can see it here. So it just depends on you guys. This doesn't concern me now. It depends on you, how you use the application to take service, and how much time you spend on this website. That is how much you can make from this website. So go and spend time taking survey, watching videos, referring people, and see how much you can make per day by just using this website. I will say thank you very much, guys. Let me show you that this website is available worldwide. So what you have to do to see if this website is available worldwide, first let us go to the homepage of this Grabpoint application or website. So to see if your country is allowed on those websites, maybe you are finding it difficult to register, so that you know the country that is not allowed, just scroll down a bit, just scroll down to the bottom, and you see a section where you say FAQ and support. If I click on support now, it will open up, and here I will search for allow country. So if I click on allow country here, it's going to open up. I click on allow country, so it's going to open up. You will see it say what country are not allowed to join. So I'll click on country that is not allowed to join. You can see Cuba, you can see Hong Kong, you can see Iran, you can see North Korea, you can see Syria. So those are countries that is not allowed on this website, which is called Grabpoint. So if your country is not on this list, you know that this website is available in your own country. So that is it, guys. I'm going to end this video from here. So I'm going to end this video from here, guys. So all you just need to do for me now is to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below, and go and start using this website to start making good cash online for free. So I don't know what you're waiting for. Go and try it out. Let me know what you think about Grabpoints, and if you want to make money online with affiliate program, you can watch this first video. If you want to start to make money with crypto, you can watch the second video. So I will say thank you very much, guys. Leave me a comment in the comment section below about this video, which is called Grabpoint. I'll say thank you, guys. I will see you on my next video.